Hello, promotion candidates. I'm here today to show you how to pull your advisees by term in PeopleSoft. So the first thing you want to do is go to My Path and go to PeopleSoft Campus Solutions. And once you're here, you can do two things. If you've got it saved as a favorite, you can just click on the nav bar like I have it and then click on favorites and it'll be on the list. If you don't have it in your favorites yet, do this instead. Go up here and to the menu search bar and type advisees. And now you get a bunch of stuff here, but the one that you want is the one that says just advisees. So you click on it and now you've got a query, and that's what you're going to be doing here for this. If you want to save it as a favorite now, go over to the little dots here and add to the nav bar, or add to favorites rather, and then it'll be there for you next time. So before I show you this, I'm going to switch over to something you need to understand how you're getting the terms. So let me go over here to my cheat sheet. Hope you think it's cool. It's a 4-digit code. The first digit is a 4. Don't ask me why. The middle digits denote the year, but like 21 denotes the 21-22 school year. 21 would be the fall and 22 would be the spring. We're right now in the 23-24 year, but the 23 is the one you want. So and then the last digit is the term itself. 4 is fall, 6 is spring, 2 is summer, but you don't care about that. So fall of 2021 would be 4, and then 21, and then 4. In the spring of 2022, the other half of that year would be 4, 2, 1, 6. This, if you need to take a screenshot of this or something, I had a hard time wrapping my head around it. It doesn't seem to make any sense, but this is how you do it. So you basically what you're going to be doing is plugging these things into the term. So let me go back to the advisees now, and you're going to put your name down here in the bottom where it says advisor name, and your term is going to be, let's do 4214, and then you click search. So I'm doing fall of 21. It takes a really long time for this to load, so just be patient. Go get a drink, read a book or something. We have now an awkward silence, and I can't shut up, so I'm just going to keep talking. All right, come on. Here it goes. Okay, so once you have this, what you need to do is use the snipping tool or whatever screenshot thing you use, and you want to grab, from like advisees up here, your name certainly, over to like the term, and then just straight down. You don't need to get the whole list. You might have to take more than one shot if you can't get it all kind of in one screenshot or one clip. And then you would take that clip and, just like paste it onto a Word document or put it into your PDFs, however you want to do it to make it work. And then from there, you just basically keep going back and go to my advisees again. And now you're going to go and grab 4216, which is spring of 22. And again, it's going to take a long time to load. So you're going to do it for those 3 years with the cheat sheet. So I'll put that up there again. And then just like do the snipping tool or whatever you need to. And this will get you the last 3 years, the last 6 terms of your advising loads. Hope this has been helpful. If you have any problems, of course, anyone on the promotion committee would be delighted to help you. Reach out to me. I would be happy to help you too. Thanks.